my god! Yes! She's back. Animal Kingdom Day. I did space buns today. They actually came out really good. Look how pretty the Animal Kingdom tree is. It's such a vibe. I'm so excited. Yeah. Yay! Thank you. She's so stunning. It's the word of the trip. Stunning. Everything is stunning.
Me too.
Yeah, stunning.
Hello, welcome back. In today's episode, we're going to Animal Kingdom.
Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh. Animal Kingdom low-key has the best stores, you guys. Oh, wow. This is also stunning. Stunning. Oh, the emblem. Wow.
Oh my god.
Look at these bags. They're so cute. Oh my god.
I'm sorry, but you need this.
I know. This bag too. This is so cute. What is with the Animal Kingdom stores coming in so hot and heavy? Bitch, I'm my mother. No drama.
Oh my god. You should get these, Danielle. This needs to be your tree. Look, there are pins everywhere.
I know, it's really Danielle.
Will you marry?
Oh my god. Yes! She's practicing. She's practicing.
We are happily ever after. I can't move.
Oh my god, you guys, my little elastic broke. Oh no. It's, oh no.
Wait, I have, hold on.
Look how good this bun is though that I did. It almost never happens to me, so. Disney magic. Okay, Bambi representation. So cute. I love this sweater. And okay, I don't love this, but this is still cute. These though are really cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think this is just gonna be a come shopping with me in Animal Kingdom because all the stuff is so cute. Oh yeah. These are a good choice. Wait, are they soft on the inside too? Yes! So nice. I love this.
Yeah,
This is so cute. Although it kind of looks a little bit, yeah, Irish, right? He looks like a leprechaun here. I should get one of those for the Nespresso I'm gonna get. Oh. We're gonna go see the otters. I don't see them. Miranda, where are they?
We're on the other side now.
Oh, they left. If you're coming to Animal Kingdom and you want a cool spot to take pictures, look, there's nobody here. It's secret. And you get a very cool view of the tree. Tree of life. Tree of living.
Oh, Miranda's dancing.
Oh God, we gotta get it. Don't stop now. Don't stop on my account. Excuse me. Come on, Miranda. There she goes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, get into it. Tree of life. We're heading into Avatar Land. It's Brittany's first time. She's gonna go on FOP. Fuck.
Miranda too.
Yeah, Miranda's first time too. Where is she?
Nope, other side.
There she is. Here we are, the floating rocks. Isn't it cool?
It is cool.
So cool.
Well, it's a Miranda takeover. And we just finished the Avatar ride, and it was so magical. I thought I was actually gonna hit the animals, so I screamed like a little pansy, and I thought my ears were gonna really fall off. Okay, bye. Wait, my turn. Okay. It was so good. It was so good. I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. First of all, the beauty. What was our word?
The smell.
What was our word?
Stunning.
Stunning. Okay. I don't even know. I was looking around and I was truly Danielle.
truly looking around being like, wow, I'm here.
Yeah,
You
it's
know?
magical. Guys, and then we had a magical moment because Olivia couldn't go on because she gets motion sickness, and then a coordinator gave all of us a lightning lane so she could do a ride she wanted. How sweet.
So now we're going to the safari. Bye.
I started crying about it. Oh, Pocahontas! She looks so pretty! It's Mickey! And that was obviously from me, that one. Just got off the safari. We saw Joe Sharkey. You should request his truck at all times, at all costs. Oh my God, Brittany. We should take a photo there since we're engaged. Right at this log. Okay, let's do that. Photo secured. Just ordered food. Our check number is 420. Lunch was delicious. Now we're gonna go to Everest. We're going on the best ride in Animal Kingdom. The best ride, the most iconic ride, the funniest ride, the ride with the best pre-show. You already know what it is. Dinosaur!
It's fast. It's a blast.
It's in the past. Yes, this is my favorite ride in all of Disney. It doesn't make sense. You're not gonna get it. But it's important to me. We're at Disney Springs. I did not film the end of Animal Kingdom just because I got really tired and I hit a wall. Oh, that's cute.
That is pretty.
Yeah, the decorations are really nice here. Sorry, Brittany, I missed it. Brittany just serenaded me in the camera while I was fixing my bun. Now we're going into Zora. Brittany and I have tapped out of shopping. I think we're kind of at the end of our rope. I mean, personally, I'm exhausted. Exhausted. I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to edit some videos. I'm ready to go to bed. I'm ready to go to the beach in the morning and relax.
Yeah.
I just had Polite Pig for the first time. It was so good. I was really impressed. I like all the sauce options. I'm a big sauce girl. Big sauce girl.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah. Now we're going to go into World of Disney and then I'm going to get a Ghirardelli shake. Strawberry, of course. I got my milkshake. So good. You should totally come get one of these if you're here. They're amazing. Well, I guess I should go meet up with my friends in World of Disney. I'll also just be walking around alone, talking to myself all night. Oh my God. This is so cute. It's a sketchbook. Fun fact about me, I used to sketch and draw a lot, specifically only Disney things, and I also used to paint a lot. So I wish I had that when I was really into that bag. I found my friends, which is kind of a miracle considering it's a giant store. Hi!
Hello.
Look at all the Snow White stuff! Some shirts. Oh, these keychains are really cute. Oh, look at that mug! So cute, so cute. Adorable. I love the representation.
I'm just like,
What are you getting? I feel like they're... I'm getting this. And I'm also getting
40% off.
this. We're leaving. Bye, Disney World. Bye. Say goodbye. Brittany, say goodbye. The main star of the show. she's really struggling right now. Well, see you in April.